Morning. Morning. You know, when you're buying if you bought a bad car, you know how it feels, When you bought a bad coffee, you know how it feels. Or when you bought a shit food, which didn't taste nice, right? But what hurts more? Bad vehicle, or something like a consumable which could be replaced. So we are a car examiner. We're making sure you buying the right deal for the right amount of money, and the vehicle you're planning to purchase is at the condition you expect it to be, and you can buy it with confidence. Let me get my coffee. And so yeah.
Good morning. Can I start taking your order?
Yeah. Can I have do you have what's that panini?
Sorry, which one?
Ham and cheese panini. Do you have it?
Ham and cheese panini, yeah?
Yeah, and tall latte, please.
And a tall latte. Any sugars or sweetness?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
That's it.
Head to the window, thank you.
Thanks. So, as you're recharging in the morning for the coffee, but when you're buying a car, you can't recharge, But car examiner can recharge you to get all the information you need. It's like you're recharging yourself with reading a newspaper. You know what's happening, and then you're getting yourself ready wherever you found there were information, So we providing you information so you can make a right decision, sensible decision. Is it the right deal? Would it suit you? Is this something you want to go for? With the advice of the inspector, or just making yourself a logical decision based on the report you're getting? Because the report is super detailed. There's a lot of information which will help you to make a right decision, or put an offer for the seller, or allow the seller to rectify the issues before you buying a vehicle. So let me get my decision in the morning with the ham and cheese panini and a latte, and Starbucks will help me. I can reassure you, everyone on the car examiner platform can help you. Reach out for help. Second.